Asheli from Nadachi Reviews, and today we are unboxing Japan Okashi box. So Okashi in Japanese means snacks or treats, and so this is a tour of Japan through snacks or Okashi. It's delivered monthly. I did write everything down here. Authentic treats monthly from Japan, free worldwide shipping, $39 monthly. You'll receive 15 to 20 snacks plus one surprise item. And then if you do prepay for like a 3 or 6 month subscription, you get a 5% discount. Now, this is like a shoebox style. This did come in like a customs, like bubble wrapped with all the customs labels and all that stuff. So it was wrapped. It does come from Japan, which is super cool if you love that kind of stuff. I know I do. This is also going to be a tasting review. I haven't done one of these in a hot minute. Figured why not have a cheat night, you know? So the box is, and by the way, it is, I took a shower. I worked out, took a shower, did my makeup, put on my pajamas. I look like a pumpkin. Look, oh yes. To make a video at 9:30 at night. So anyway, we're gonna get in here together. I'm gonna try to go slower. I realize I've been talking fast lately. I get it. I am not gonna eat everything in here. I'm gonna have a little bit of a few of the things that I haven't tried before. I've already taken pictures. By the way, if I'm doing a tasting review, that means I've already taken my pictures. I already know what's in here for the most part. So you open it up and right on top you have your insert, which tells you what each item is. Thank you for subscribing, get a little thank you. And then on the back here's your surprise gift, which is this memo and point marker. So these are like little flags for your pages. And then you get little Post-its, and it's sleeping polar bear. Isn't it cute? So cute. Okay, so then you have this, and then you have your Welcome to Japan Okashi box. So it's 2 pages. This is chock full of stuff. It is full. I mean, it's full. All right, so I'm kind of getting hot. I was cold. I put on slippers, and now I'm hot. Okay. So first up, now I tried to repackage it so it looked as good as it did when I first opened it. I did an okay job. I didn't do too bad, right? So first up, this looks like a rusk. I think this is, we'll look then at the items, but why not just dive in? Sweet and kind of salty. It's definitely some sort of a rice cake. I'd guess a rusk though. Sesame rice vegetable, oh, it's called bakauki. It's a sesame rice, vegetable oil, soy sauce, wheat, sugar, sesame, chili, pepper, and salt. They do give you complete ingredients and stuff like that, so that if you're allergic or whatever, they make you aware of that. All right, next up we have what looks like some sort of edamame snack, which is soybeans. We love these. So good, just boil them, or steam them, I should say. And then put some coarse salt on top and then just enjoy them. My kids love them, I love them, my husband loves them. Super delish. All right, so let's see this baby. There's something in here I'm super looking forward to. All right, so these are definitely edamame crackers. There's chicken in here, which is interesting for a bean. I'm thinking they might be like those pea snaps. You know what I'm talking about? Ooh, they smell like corn chips. Huh. Oh boy. This is not gonna last long. All right. So next up, it looks like we have, these are yogurt. Yoguletto. Oh, I should have said, the name of that chip was Suno Edamame. So these are called Yoguletto. They're made with yogurt. They're from Mahi. They have, you can find these products if you have a Globe Mart, an H Mart near you. They usually carry the Mahi products. Oh, look at this. They're like little tablets. Range. I'm really gonna eat one because I want my kids to all try these. So it's just a big bite. Ooh, it's a little bit sour. I don't know what flavor that is. It doesn't say. I think it's vanilla, or yeah, I think it's just plain vanilla. Those are really interesting because they're actually really good. I thought it would be way more sweet. It's not as sweet as I thought. All right, next we have these Milkies. I believe I've had these before. Milky. Milk, syrup, sugar, whipping cream, milk, and salt. Oh, let's open it. Okay. If I can, I mean, really. Oh no, look. There was something there the whole time. Don't tell anybody. All right, so the packaging is obviously super cute, and it kind of has that like 1950s Norman Rockwell with a twist vibe to it, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, see, these are like straight up. I think I have had these. This is gonna take me a little bit. It's like taffy, but kind of hard in the center, which is interesting. These are Pretz. These are kind of like Pocky. I'm gonna actually hold on to these for my kids and not open them right away. As well as these high chews. We will look at the paper though. These are grape high chews. I've never seen a pack of grape, just grape before, which is really cool. The Pretz, which is from Glico, who I think also makes Pocky. This is the lightly salted variety. So it's like a little stick, like a pretzel stick. I'm still eating this. Okay. We have a whole bunch of Umaibos. I've had a lot of these before. I'm not gonna open them right now. These are puffed corn. They're super yummy. And the best part is that they come in these hilarious different flavors. Not hilarious, but the packaging is hilarious. I'm sorry. Talking with this bugger in my mouth. Milky! It's from a movie called This Is England. It's hilarious in a weird way. Anyway, Umaibo from left. There's a teriyaki burger. This guy right here is a teriyaki burger. Like the flavors are like silly, but they are really good. It's puffed corn, I should say. It's like a tube. Then there is Mente, which I don't know what that flavor is. It looks like it might be spicy. And then there is chicken curry, which I've never had that one before. So those are those. That's fun. All right. Hoping it just melts away. I'm also not going to open this bag of Pucci potato chips. I've had these before. This, I don't know if I've had this flavor. This looks like a seaweed flavor. I'm excited to try it, but I don't want to open them because I want to be able to have them not go stale and stuff like that. So, and I want to, you know, save some of it. So we're going to keep moving. All right. Here's something I'm really excited for. This is Young Donuts. These are sweet donuts. Look at how cute. When I opened the box, this is one of the items that was right on top. I was like, oh, little donuts. Look at them. Just waiting to be eaten. That was really good. Mama's gonna have two. All right. Those are super tasty. I've totally had these before, but I'm gonna try it anyway because I don't think I've had this chili pepper variety. This is called Kakino Chain. They're almost, I want to say like a sesame. They're not though. You find them in those mixes. It's like soy sauce flavored. These are spicy. Not really, but a little bit. And they do have peanuts throughout too. These are good. Yes, very much. I like this. All right, next we have Tamanigi Centauro. It's an onion puff. Just got it. So there's that. Ooh. If you like onion, you'll like these. They're also just really kind of salty and like, they're good. My daughter, my oldest, loves onion. Like, she just loves it. Nothing wrong with that though, because I love onion too. Okay. So, moving along, we have two of these guys. I've never seen this before. It feels like it might be chocolate. Yeah, it's called Black Thunder. We're gonna try one. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and weigh like 10 more pounds. You guys are making me do this. Oh wow. It's like chocolate on the inside. I almost want to say it's like a Rice Krispie. It's very good. Okay. Next we have this packet, which is Pure Ralu Gummy. These are apple flavored gummies. I've never had these before. Ooh. I received a snack box a long time ago from, I don't remember the name. It had Turkish candies, and they have this, it has a very specific name in Turkey. They're like these powdered sugar covered gelatins, and they look like this, but they're a little bit bigger. Oh, they taste just like apple. So good. And they're sealable, so you can keep them fresh. All right, here's the item I've been so excited for. These are the matcha Kit Kats. I've wanted to try these. I haven't had a chance. We're busting them open. So these are green tea flavored Kit Kats. I'm breaking with tradition and eating like this. They taste like green tea and Kit Kats. They're actually really good. It's a very mild flavor. One of the only things about making tasting videos is you have to be very thoughtful about how you eat. And that makes long pauses in the video. Okay. These guys are little chocolates. These are called Ichigo Mugikos. They're strawberry, like little, I want to say like strawberry chocolate covered little rice puffs, I want to say. I'm gonna keep these for my children. This is a Tejado snack. I think I've had this before. I can't find it on this list. I think it's this one. So this is Katsubu Potato. So it's some sort of potato snack. The one on the list is red though, and this one is blue. I don't know if that matters. Tejado makes this caramel corn that's shaped almost like a shrimp, these little shrimps, and it's sweet. It's very popular. They come out with all these limited edition flavors and stuff like that. So I don't know if this is gonna be sweet or no. Ooh, this is really good. So these little tubes, and they're very like potato-y flavored, lightly salted, but more crunchy than anything. All right, so we're down to our final item here. These look different. very different. Look at that box. Really bust in. Bust through there like the Kool-Aid man. You know, I always wonder how the Kool-Aid man never made a big mess when you pop through that wall. Why wasn't there Kool-Aid stains all over the floor? Something I'd like to know. All right. What are these babies called? All right. This is called Gummy Choco, strawberry flavored chocolate gummies. Fair enough. There's 3. They're very sweet. Oh. The Olympics are in Tokyo in 2020 because there's a little Olympics thing down here. These are also from Mahi. These are very sweet. My kids would like these. I like the combo, but it's a little too sweet for me personally. But that's everything that I received in this box. Overall, this is amazing. I'm excited to show my kids tomorrow. I'm also scared that how much they're gonna steal and how much sugar is gonna be sitting in their teeth. But I mean, how many snacks do we get? So you figure we get these guys, we got 2 of these guys, we got 3 Umaibos, we have the bag of these little puff balls, the Pretz, the 2 Kit Kats, the whole pack of potato chips, these fun onion balls, these little curly rings, the Milky candies, the gummies, the High Chew. Oh. By the way, I'm putting that in my purse and I'm keeping it so that when I'm out and about and I need like a little pick-me-up, I got it. This stuff, which I'm totally gonna just eat tonight. These edamame chips, which also might be eaten tonight. Another sacrificial lamb. Let's face it, I mean, he's asking to be eaten. And these little tasty yogurt tabs. So it's an amazing box full of awesome snacks. If you're interested in checking out different flavors, different fun treats, you have grandkids that come over, or you have kids that you like to share with. I don't like to share with mine, but if you like to share with yours, I'm just kidding. This is an amazing box. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Japan Okashi box so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.